Welcome back to DoorKing Tech Tips. Today we will be creating a backup of the Access Plus Account Manager software. Let's get started by opening the software. With the Access Plus Account Manager software now open, go to File in the top left of the menu bar. Then select Save the Database As. You should now see a pop-up asking you where you would like to save the file. By default, it saves the file in the C drive under Users, Public Documents, DKS 1812. However, you can save the copy anywhere, and we would recommend a USB drive for safekeeping. Once you have decided where you will be saving the file, go ahead and then click Open in the bottom right. You should now get a pop-up window indicating your data was saved successfully. Go ahead and click OK. Congratulations, you have successfully created a backup of your Access Plus Account Manager software. And we'll see you next time for more DoorKing Tech Tips.